With both? Wait, is it going?
It's going.
Okay, welcome to the Morgan and Nina channel. This is the cell wrap. We are currently in anatomy class.
Yep. And we're about to wrap a cell out of our fantastic book here.
Yeah,
it's really awesome.
Did you? Is this going on?
No.
Oh, ready? Let's do it anyways.
Alright, ready?
Okay.
Boom. Boom. Boom.
The plasma vibrator on the cell lets different things in or out really well. Involving a glove or drink in a foot with endocytosis, it can really do it. Lysosomes are suicide sacs. Without Golgi bodies, those sacs get lack. Mitochondria make ATP. They're responsible for energy. Endoplasmic reticulum attaches each thingy to the other one. The nucleus is like the brain, surrounded by the nuke membrane. In the nucleoplasm flow nuclei, will follow the RNA. Do you know why? Ribosomes are really keen. That's where the cell makes protein. Oh yeah!
Subscribe
to our channel. We make new videos sporadically.
Anatomy is awesome.
Okay, excellent.